If Discord is showing error 3002 and your microphone is not working, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step. This is a simple troubleshooting guide for Windows users, and it can help when Discord suddenly stops detecting your mic after an update, a privacy change, or a settings issue. We'll check microphone permissions, make sure Discord is using the right input device, and then reset the voice settings if needed. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to check is whether Windows is actually allowing Discord to use your microphone. This is one of the most common reasons error 3002 shows up. To do that, press the Windows key and the I key at the same time to open Settings. Once Settings opens, go to Privacy and Security, then click Microphone. On this page, make sure Microphone Access is turned on. Also check that Let Apps Access Your Microphone is turned on as well. And if you are using the desktop app version of Discord, make sure Let Desktop Apps Access Your Microphone is also enabled. If any of these options are off, Discord may not be able to detect your voice at all, even if your headset is connected properly. After that, open Discord and go to your user settings by clicking the gear icon next to your name in the bottom left corner. From there, select Voice and Video. This is where you can control how Discord handles your microphone and audio input. Under Input Device, do not leave it on default if you're having problems. Instead, manually select the exact headset or microphone you are using. Sometimes Discord picks the wrong device, especially if you have multiple mics, a webcam mic, or a headset connected through USB or Bluetooth. Choosing the correct input device often fixes the issue instantly. Next, look at your input volume. Make sure it is set to 100% so Discord can receive your microphone at full level. After that, use the mic test button to do a quick voice test. If the audio bar moves when you speak, that means Discord is receiving your mic correctly. But if the bar stays completely gray and does not move at all, then your microphone is not sending audio into Discord, and you will need to keep going with the next steps. If the mic still is not working, the next fix is to reset Discord's voice settings. Stay inside the Voice and Video menu and scroll all the way to the bottom. You should see a button that says Reset Voice Settings. Click it and confirm the reset. This will restore Discord's voice options back to default, which is useful if a setting got changed accidentally, or if a bad configuration is causing the 3002 error. After resetting, go back and reselect your microphone, then test it again. In many cases, these 3 steps are enough to fix Discord error 3002 and get your mic working again. If it still does not work after that, double-check your physical microphone connection, restart Discord, and restart your computer to make sure all the changes fully apply. Sometimes a simple reboot is all it takes for Windows and Discord to start communicating properly again. So to recap, first enable microphone permissions in Windows, then verify the correct input device and volume inside Discord, and finally reset the voice settings if the problem continues. These are the fastest and most reliable fixes for this error on Windows. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful Discord and PC troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.